Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows 11, so make sure to watch until the end. You probably want to make Chrome to open as soon as you go and click a link on your computer. So to do that, firstly, just open up your Windows settings. To do that, go and click on the Windows Start button in your taskbar and then tap on Settings. You can also search for it at the top. So here we are in our system settings. Go over to the right hand side and tap on Apps. Next is click on the option for default apps like this. Now what you need to do is go and search for Chrome, and here it is. And then tap on it. You may also need to scroll down and go and find this option here for HTTP and HTTPS, and make sure Chrome is selected. Make sure you go and select Google Chrome and tap on Set Default, and do the same thing for HTTP as well, because it pretty much starts with the links in here. That's how you can do it. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!